Hello everybody, it's Niklas and welcome to this new video on Natron. And in this video we are going to see how to merge in Natron. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you like the content. First link on the description, the complete course Natron is available. So if you want to learn this software starting from scratch with the course structure, it will be on the first link on the description. You will see the models, session of the course, what you will be able to learn in this complete course. Second link on the description, it is a website in link with this YouTube channels. You can learn software in these YouTube channels. And second link on the description, it is a summary of all the complete graphic courses available. So let's start with how to merge in Natron. The first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to go here, so I have the viewer, and I will add an element on the background. So on the background, I would like to add a color. So I will go on image here. On image, I will add a constant, and I will put the constant on the left, and I will link the constant to the viewer. After to do this work, I will double click on the constant, and on the right, I will be able to define a color, and let's just apply some, for example, blue color like this one. So now if I want to add something like, for example, a shape on the foreground of my constant, how I can process? I can, for example, add a rectangle. So I can go right click and I will use draw and rectangle. The problem is if, for example, I link here to the viewer, I will just see my rectangle, and this rectangle you can resize like this. But the problem is, as you can see, I just replace on the viewer, but I don't link any nodes together. So it's not pretty good. So here it's just to view my rectangle. If I just click here, I will replace the viewer. So how to merge the two nodes? To merge the two nodes, I'm going to unlink the two nodes first. I will be able to go on this area, and on this area we'll be able to define the node merge. This is a node that we use a lot, extremely useful. When you click on the merge node, be careful, sometimes it will link what you have selected, so I'm going to unlink with this. You have A, B, and A2. Concretely, when you use the A in the case, the A will be on the foreground, the B on the backgrounds. So concretely, I'm going to link the rectangle first on the A, and I will link the constant to the A2. If you link the constant to the A2 after, it will be like to link to the B, so it means to the backgrounds, just like that. And I will link the merge to the viewer just here. And thanks to that, I can see the rectangle and the color on the backgrounds. I can double click on my rectangles, and my rectangles, as you can see, I can scale. If I want, I can also go in the center, just like this. If I wanted to add maybe something like some text just on the front, how I can process? I need to add a text and a merge node as well. So I will go right click here, and I will select first, I will go on draw, and I will select text. A text node will appear here. I can double click, I can enter what I want on the options on the right, and I will define just title, nothing more. So now I need to use merge as well. So I can go right click, or I can go here in this category, select merge one more times. You can unlink this one with just left click and drag and move, and you can put the merge just here. You need to respect this type of process. It's pretty better to work like that on this linear way to use the merge node. It's pretty more convenient. And you can use the text on the A and the merge to the A2 and this one to the viewer. And thanks to that, the text will appear here. Why I don't see my text? Because the text has a white color. So if I double click on my text, I will go on the right, and when you scroll below, you can see the font color of the text, and I will define, for example, the black color. Then after to do this work, I will use reset center and center interact, and I can use the scale value or just define also the size of my text, just like this, for example. So now if I create, for example, a small animation, Something that I can do, I have, for example, my rectangle, and I will go at 1. And at 1, what I will do, I can, for example, use something like the bottom left here, set key all animation, and the size set key all animation. If we go on this area, and for example, I tap a value of 0. So here it's for the position. So if we tap 0 and 0, we'll go here. So it's not what I want to do. Me, I want to focus on I want to, oops, I think it's not pretty good. So I will go on set key animation, and I will recenter. Me, I want to focus on the size. So on the size, I will activate 0 here, and I will activate 0. After to do this work, I will go, for example, at 50, and at 50, I can increase the size just like that. So I can increase the size here. But you can also use, for example, this type of process, just like that. And you can apply center as well. It means we will do just something like this. After to do this work, I will use also the text. So for the text, I will go at 60. And I will double click on the text. And on the text value, I want to work with the transparency. So concretely, what I will apply at 60, I have a font color here. And when you go on the font color, the last one is the transparency. So it means this one is the transparency. So what we can do, we can go right click, set key all dimension at 60 for the font color. And for the font color, I will decrease the transparency. Then I will go, for example, maybe at 100, maybe 20 just here, and I will increase in the font color. I will recuperate my transparency just to create this small animation. Here I just make something simple. The rectangle will appear here, and then the text will arrive slowly on this area. So that's it. This is how we can merge node, and this is how we can create a small animation. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you like the content. First link on the description. The complete course Natron is available if you want to learn this software starting from scratch with the course structure. It will be on the first link on the description. You will see the models session of the course, what you will be able to learn. It is a complete course, a lot of hours of training content to see the maximum of features in Natron and to generate all your animation. Second link on the description, the website in link with this YouTube channel. You can discover software on these YouTube channels and have a different type of basicals. And second link on the description, it is a summary of all the complete courses available. And for our next video, see you. Ciao, ciao.